भारतीय वज़ीर ख़ारजा को पाक भारत कशीदगी और पहलगाम वाक़े पर गैर मुल्की सहाफ़ी के सवालात ने घुमा कर रख दिया। अमरीकी सहाफ़ी ने इस्तफ़सार किया कि क्या पाक भारत में हालिया कशीदगी का खात्मा अमरीकी सदर की मुदाखलत का नतीजा है। सहाफ़ी ने यह भी सवाल किया कि क्या भारत ने पहलगाम वाक़े में मुलव्विस अफराद को गिरफ्तार किया। सहाफ़ी के इन सवालात पर जयशंकर कोई वाज़ेह मौक़िफ़ इख्तियार नहीं कर सके और जवाब देने के बजाय गोल मोल आएँ बाएँ शाएँ करते रहे।
The role of Mr. Trump is interesting also in another way. He claimed, for example, that he solved the recent flare-up in the violence between India and Pakistan.
Look, I think where we had the recent fighting between India and Pakistan.
Did you catch the ones that murdered those 26 tourists?
I think we were able to identify who they were because there were pictures of them.
That you know who they are still not caught, but the operation you mentioned, it's still ongoing.
No, that is not my assertion, and let me explain this to you, then maybe you would get it.
And where was the US in this process?
Well, the US was in the United States. I mean, obviously there were